Excuse me, I am really sorry to bother you. My phone just died and I have no idea where I am.
Hello. No problem at all. It happens to the best of us in this city.
I am trying to find the Emerald Gallery on North Street. Am I even close to that area?
You are actually quite far from North Street right now. You are in the heart of the old quarter.
Oh no, I've been walking in the wrong direction for 20 minutes then.
These winding streets are very confusing for newcomers. They all look the same.
I thought the fountain was a good landmark, but I keep seeing different fountains.
This is the Lion Fountain, but the one you need is the Dolphin Fountain.
I should have charged my battery before leaving the hotel this morning.
Don't worry about it. I know this neighborhood like the back of my hand.
Is North Street within walking distance from this square?
It is about 15 minutes on foot if you know the shortcuts.
I'm Clara, by the way. I just moved here yesterday for work.
Nice to meet you, Clara. I'm Tom, and I live just 2 blocks away.
I feel so silly being lost on my first real day here.
Most people get lost here at least once a week. It's part of the charm.
The architecture is beautiful, but I'm starting to panic about my meeting.
What time is your meeting at the gallery?
It's supposed to start at 1 o'clock sharp.
It's 12:30 now, so we have plenty of time to get there.
I don't want to take up your time if you're busy.
I was just heading to the bakery, and it's on the way.
That would be amazing. Thank you so much for your kindness, Tom.
Happy to help. Let's start walking toward that tall tower over there.
Is that the famous clock tower I saw in the travel guide?
Yes, it's the highest point in the city and the perfect compass.
I will try to remember its position relative to the gallery.
That is the best way to navigate without a digital map.
I will definitely buy a portable charger after this meeting.
That is a very wise investment for living in this town. Look at the ground here. The stones change color when you enter a new district.
I didn't notice that. These stones are much darker than the ones in the square.
Dark stones mean we are entering the craftsman district.
This city has so many hidden rules and details.
It was built hundreds of years ago by people who loved puzzles.
I think I saw a map at the bus stop earlier, but it was hard to read.
Those maps are often covered in stickers and graffiti.
I tried to ask a lady for help, but she didn't speak English.
Many older residents only speak the local dialect here.
I need to start learning some basic phrases as soon as possible.
I can teach you how to say, "Where is the gallery?" right now.
Please do. I want to be prepared for next time.
You say, "Onde fica a galeria?" It is quite simple.
Onde fica a galeria? Did I pronounce it correctly?
Your accent is actually very good for a first attempt.
Thank you. I am usually good with languages and sounds.
That will make your life here much easier and more fun.
Is the gallery a popular place for locals to visit?
Yes, they have a new exhibition every month by local artists.
I am an illustrator, so I am very excited to see the work.
Maybe you will have your own exhibition there one day.
That is my big dream for this year.
We are turning left here into this small alleyway.
Are you sure this is a public street? It looks like someone's garden.
It is a public shortcut that saves us 5 minutes of walking.
The plants here are so green, and the air smells like jasmine.
Many people grow herbs and flowers on their tiny balconies.
I would love to have a small balcony like that in my apartment.
You just have to remember to water the plants every evening.
I will try my best to be a good plant owner.
See that old blue door with the iron knocker?
Yes, it looks very ancient. Does someone famous live there?
A famous poet used to live there a long time ago.
This city feels like a living history book.
That door is a great landmark because it never changes.
If I see the blue door, I know I am close to the alley.
Exactly. Landmarks are much more reliable than street names.
Why are the street names so small and hard to find?
The city council likes to keep the historical look of the walls.
It is beautiful, but very challenging for a tourist.
You are not a tourist anymore. You are a resident now.
You are right. I need to change my mindset.
We are approaching the main shopping street now.
I can hear the sound of the trams and the crowds.
North Street is the third crossing after the big yellow bank.
I think I see the yellow building at the end of this road.
That is the one. It is the tallest building on the street.
I am starting to feel much more confident now.
Do you have a physical copy of the gallery address?
I have it written in my notebook just in case.
Always keep a paper backup when your technology fails.
My father always told me that, but I didn't listen.
We all learn the hard way sometimes.
Is there a place nearby where I can charge my phone quickly?
There's a small coffee shop right next to the gallery.
Do they have power outlets for the customers?
Yes, and they have the best espresso in the whole district.
I might grab a quick coffee before my meeting starts.
It will help you stay sharp and energized for the exhibition.
I definitely need some caffeine after all this walking.
Here is the bakery I mentioned. The smell is amazing, isn't it?
It smells like fresh cinnamon and warm bread.
I need to pick up a loaf of sourdough for my lunch.
I will wait for you here.
I am enjoying the shade.
Coming back with a paper bag? It is still warm from the oven.
That looks delicious. Do they sell small snacks too?
They have great cheese pastries that are perfect for walking.
I will buy one after my meeting is finished today.
You should try the one with honey and nuts.
I will write that down in my must-try list.
We only have 2 more blocks to go.
The street is getting wider and more modern here.
We are leaving the old quarter and entering the business zone.
The contrast between the old and new is very striking.
Many people prefer the new part because it is easier to navigate.
I prefer the old part, even if I get lost there.
Me too. It has a soul and a long story to tell.
Is that the Emerald Gallery with the green banners?
Yes, you found it. Those green banners are very easy to spot.
I am so relieved. I can see people going inside.
You have 10 minutes before your meeting starts.
Thank you for being my human GPS today, Tom.
It was my pleasure to show you the secret paths.
I would have never found that shortcut by myself.
Now you can show it to someone else who looks lost.
I will be the expert on alleyways by next month.
I am sure you will. You have a good sense of direction.
Only when I'm walking with someone who knows the way.
You will learn the map of the city very quickly.
I hope so. I don't want to be late for work tomorrow.
If you ever get lost again, just head toward the river.
Why the river? Is it a good point of reference?
The river always leads back to the main bridge and the station.
That is a very useful tip. I will remember the water.
And the mountains are always to the north of the city.
Water to the south, mountains to the north. Got it.
You are learning the ancient way of navigation.
It is much more romantic than following a blue dot on a screen.
I agree. You notice so much more around you.
Like that beautiful mural on the side of the building.
That was painted by a group of local students last summer.
It is vibrant and full of life. I love the colors.
I will let you go to your meeting now, Clara.
Wait, can I have your number or social media?
Sure. My phone is working, so I can add you right now.
Thank you. I might need more help later.
Feel free to message me if you want to find the best pizza.
I am always looking for the best pizza in town.
I know a place that only locals know about.
Is it hidden in another secret alleyway?
Of course, the best things are always hidden in the city.
I am starting to love this place more and more every hour.
I'm glad. It is a wonderful city once you understand it.
Good luck with your sourdough bread and your lunch.
Thank you. I hope your meeting goes perfectly well.
I will tell the gallery director about my adventure.
Tell her that Tom says hello. She knows me.
You know the director of the Emerald Gallery?
Small town, Clara. Everyone knows everyone here eventually.
I am starting to see that. See you soon, Tom.
I am going to head back to my street now.
I will stand here and watch the bus stop for a moment.
The number 5 bus will take you back to your hotel later.
Does it stop right in front of the gallery?
Yes, it stops at that glass shelter every 15 minutes.
That makes the return trip much easier for me.
Just make sure you have some coins for the ticket.
Do they not accept cards on the local buses?
Some do, but it is safer to have some cash ready.
I will check my wallet before I finish the exhibition.
I will see you around the old quarter, Clara.
I will be the one looking at the blue doors and the stones.
Have a great afternoon in the business district.
Goodbye, Tom. Thank you for the Onde Fica a Galeria lesson.